left, on the left, on the left. Oh, fuck, I love this restaurant. God damn. They got a generator rolling now. Dock's all intact. But then they got a concrete dock. Hard to look at. It is. God dang, dude. Even as like someone who's been, I've been through like 6 major hurricanes, like I've seen them, and you still think like, oh man, come on, that could never really happen to me. And then I'm looking at this like,
dude, we're like 30 miles away from happening to us. There's 2 whirlybirds there.
Get out of here. I'll get a good view of them.
Fine down or no?
It's fine. It's fine. I know how hard it is over there.
Well, I can put it, like, I'm not so worried now. It's getting fucking crushed by the sun on my arm. And I realize I'm going to be getting crushed by the sun for the next week, but I'm trying not to.
Okay, Honda's still standing, which is sort of incredible. Let's hop in that lane.
Huh?
Hop in the left lane, please.
You want me to try to...
Just go slow and
Okay,
go
yeah,
not
okay.
bumpy.
Well,
Just slow down. That's what I do. I was not expecting to see that. I was not expecting to see that.
what? That bridge still being there?
You know, the beach and everything, all the chaos.
I didn't get a chance.
It's demolished. There's a boat that's in the middle of land. I was on that beach like 2 weeks ago, you know. I didn't think he would get in. He has a paddleboard. I did not think he would get in. I saw him in line earlier. I thought, hell no. No fucking way. Okay, Honda's still standing, which is sort of incredible.
this? That can't be from that, can it?
It's a camper, so he was top heavy and bottom light anyway. Okay, we just made it to Big Pine. So around here's where we should drop all the stuff. When you see cops up here, do stop. Here's where we should drop all this crap. I can't believe anyone can survive this. Like, what I'm looking at does not look survivable.
I can't. I would love to know how many fucking people thought they could make it here.
Here's the church. How are they looking? The building is still there. The roof is mostly there.
Yeah, I got like 4 work trucks behind me. I'll get out of the way and let them pass.
Look for lights. This is where we're going to stop and go, where can we put the water in the